Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask in the world. And today we are looking at the Kata. I don't know what that is, but it sounded aggressive. From Office Depot. Let's put it in the clamper and then we will talk more about this. This is your basic looking blue mask that has become oh so popular lately, thanks to our good friends at COVID-19. Let's let her rip. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency Machine. If you want to find out more about this, I'm going to put a link up there. But we are doing the ASTM test here, so you don't have to. I'm going to tell you how well this thing does. Let's look at this listing. Item no longer available. Well, it is available today. Kata! Let's open up the box, see if they're making any claims. Kata. Ooh, I like that. Oh, it's a soft touch box. Oh, snap. If you're just joining me, we like soft touch here. The wear type is ear hanging. I don't know what that means. Easy to breathe, non-medical, made in China. They're not making any claims on the box. And that is the actual box. They actually have a picture of the box on the listing, which is rare. They're following the GB 32610 standard, but they're not telling you what part of the standard. And the standard has basically 7 different types. So it can be anywhere from 60% filtration to 95%. This is a very rough mask. I wouldn't just, the spun bond is like, this is probably the roughest spun bond I've ever used. This is not a great construction. Let's put it on the face. Holy cow, it's thick too. Kata! This smells like, I don't know, like it's like a plastic and cardboard box. It's not a thick smell. The smell is not as thick as the fabric, and it's a very kind of like itchy fabric. And scalpel. Scalpel? I think. Scalpel? Scalpel. It is, yep, it's a plastic nose wire, which is not good because when you bend plastic, it goes back, see? So we don't like that here. We want to see something that's like a metal, because look at that. Then it conforms to your face once you put it on, even if you did it wrongly. See? That gives you a nice seal versus, get out of there. This mask, which is, it's almost like, it's so rough. It's just like sandpaper. See, look at that. Like my daughter says, that's how the COVID gets in. Would not recommend. So I wouldn't recommend. I'm already not recommending this mask. Kata! What does it matter? Does it matter if it protects you? Okay, let's see. We did the test, so let's check it out. 81.713! Kata! Wow! Oh man, that did not do very well. What was the breathability on that? 30? Yeah, it's very breathable because there's like not much there protecting you. That barely meets minimum standards for what epidemiologists would recommend. So I double not recommend you, Kata. Double. That's not a good mask. Does not meet any American standard. Lowest American standard, 95% is an ASTM level 1, but I prefer 2 or 3. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, jam out a comment in the bottom parts of the video. And if you did that within the first 24 hours, we're going to be awarding some people some special things. Check out details to that competition right there. And I will catch you on that next test, which is tomorrow at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time in your device of choice. See you then.